Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegan yogurt. Making your own delicious vegan yogurt at home is simpler than you might think, and it offers a fantastic alternative to store-bought options. We'll cover the essential steps, from selecting your base ingredients to achieving the perfect texture and flavor. You'll learn about the key components like plant milk and probiotic cultures, and understand the basic fermentation process that transforms simple ingredients into creamy, tangy yogurt. Let's get started on this rewarding culinary journey. Choosing the right plant milk is crucial for successful vegan yogurt. Soy milk and cashew milk are often recommended due to their protein content, which helps with thickening and fermentation. Aim for unsweetened, plain varieties with as few stabilizers as possible. For your starter, you'll need a source of live active cultures. This can be the contents of 2 to 3 vegan probiotic capsules, or about 2 tablespoons of a high-quality, plain vegan yogurt with live cultures. This introduces the beneficial bacteria needed for fermentation. The fermentation process is where the magic happens. First, gently heat 1 liter of your chosen plant milk to 110 degrees Fahrenheit or 43 degrees Celsius. This helps activate the milk and prepare it for the cultures. Then, let it cool down to about 100 degrees Fahrenheit or 38 degrees Celsius before stirring in your probiotic starter. Pour the mixture into a clean, sterilized jar, cover it, and place it in a warm spot, ideally between 95 and 110 degrees Fahrenheit, for 6 to 12 hours. A yogurt maker or oven with the light on works well. To achieve a thicker consistency, you have a couple of options. You can whisk 1 to 2 tablespoons of cornstarch or agar-agar into your plant milk before heating it, ensuring it dissolves completely. After the fermentation period, chilling your yogurt in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours or even overnight will also significantly thicken it. Once chilled, your homemade vegan yogurt is ready to be enjoyed. Feel free to customize it with your favorite additions like fresh berries, a drizzle of maple syrup, or a splash of vanilla extract for a personalized treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.